Welcome to Hardcore Garage. Man, it is early Friday morning. I forgot to edit my video, and I've got to get you guys a video ready for today. So I'm doing it. This is going to be part four of Maggie Valley Southeast Minitruckin Nationals. This is the last video that I have from Saturday. The other videos are going to be just kind of random stuff. There is some cruise night videos, and probably, I think I took some video on Sunday, or I really don't even remember at this point, but I needed to get you guys this video. I hope that you enjoy it. If you guys haven't been to Maggie Valley, please go check it out, whether or not you're going for a show or just to relax. It is a beautiful place. Let's go. coming along on the ride with us, guys. Got a lot of other videos lined up for you. Some more 64 Oldsmobile air ride, airbag videos, and all that good stuff. So please like, comment, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Keep on trucking.